Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm going to talk about the top 5 best smart light switches 2022 that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research, and I try to list them based on buyability, price, quality, durability, features and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the links in the description section below which are updated for the latest prices. Like the video, comment and also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. Leviton is one of the dedicated brands that supply good quality electrical appliances at a reasonable price range. From captivating light models to sophisticated smart switches, you can find everything to make your home look better. The brand's light switch comes as a pack of 2 with a 15A rated current. Although it comes with a one-way circuit type and does not support multi-location control, it lets you set up lighting of your choice in a room with a single touch. Its unique scratch-resistant glass panel not only makes its handling easy for you, but gives a decent look to your wall. This smart light from Leviton has 1650 W of rated power. So, you can go either with a low-power bulb or even a high-power one without worrying about the switch capacity. You can access the switch using the Treatlife mobile application. This lets you control your home lighting from wherever you are. And, you can automate the switch by scheduling the turn on and off timing. So, you can have your lights lit up by sunset and turned off by the time you go to bed. Though it works only with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, it still offers you complete hand-free control. You can set up the switch paired with Alexa or Google Assistant and control the lighting by simply giving voice commands. The switch is designed with overload protection rated at 15A and it received certification from ETL, FCC, and RoHS, which ensure total protection to its body and to its users. Number 4. The brand Leviton provides reliable home automation, safety, and energy-saving lighting solutions. Their D215S2RWD Core is a smart light switch which is compatible with Google Home, Amazon Alexa, and Apple Siri. So, you can turn on or off the connected lights or other fixture using voice commands or mobile app. Using the app, you can also schedule the lights to turn or off at any particular time. This switch is also compatible with IFTTT, Samsung SmartThings and Schlager Wi-Fi locks. These switches are quite easy to install and works well with CFL, halogen, LED, electronic ballast motor loads. Number 3. This can be another great option if you are looking for something that not only offers a great value for money but is also a powerful option for heavy-duty usage. This Maris Smart Light Switch comes at the 3rd position of this article because you get a pretty large pack size of 4 switches while having a fairly low price tag allowing you to easily power a lot of things at once. Unlike the previous offering from Treatlife, this one includes a maximum power rating of 1800 watts, which is quite high in comparison with others. While there is a 1-year warranty included with these switches, their build quality is a bit on the lower side and you can certainly find better built options out there. Number 2. There's a wide range of offerings that you can find by Treatlife, which generally offer a great value for money to the user including their smart light switches. Treatlife's smart light switch comes at the 2nd position of this listicle, as this one comes in a pretty large pack size. To be precise, you will find a total of 4 smart light switches in the box for easily using them with multiple home appliances. Unfortunately, if you are looking for heavy-duty options, you should look elsewhere since this one has a pretty low power rating of just 1250 watts. Fortunately, you do get a 2-year warranty with it, making the smart light switches as reliable as other heavy-duty options out there. Number 1. Casa is a lineup of smart home devices owned by TP-Link, because of which you can expect its smart light switches to be highly functional as well as feature-rich. The Casa HS200 smart light switch comes at the 1st position of this list, since this can be a great option if you are on a budget and looking for something affordable. Despite having a low price tag, it still supports Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and almost every other smart platform. Being a budget option, You would only expect it to include a single switch in the box. In fact, unlike other budget options, this one even includes a 1800 watt power rating. Another great thing about it is that you get a 2-year warranty with it. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys like this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.